Hey everyone, and welcome to Agent Mode AI, where we break down the latest in agentic AI in just a couple of minutes. Today's episode: how to build your first AI agent. No coding required. Picture this. You want an AI assistant that sorts your emails, schedules tasks, even checks your calendar, all while you sip your morning coffee. Sounds like magic? Well, it's not sci-fi anymore. Here's how it works. Start small and simple. Use a no-code automation platform like N8N, Zapier, or Flowise as your foundation. These let you drag and drop steps and integrate directly with tools like Gmail and Google Calendar. Define a clear use case. For example, imagine you get an email with your daily tasks. The AI reads it, checks your calendar, and schedules your day, all automatically. Boom! Productivity unlocked. LLMs to power the thinking. Plug in GPT-4, Claude, Gemini. These large language models can plan steps, call tools, revise results, and even reflect on what they've done. Connect the dots visually. You don't need to code, just build a flow. Trigger, AI decision, action, then output. Choose from templates or start from scratch. It's as easy as building with digital Lego blocks. Test, iterate, deploy. Try out different inputs, see how your agent performs, and then embed it wherever you want, on your website, in Slack, or just use it yourself. And yep, it works. Why it matters? AI agents aren't the future, they're already here. From automating personal tasks to managing business workflows, no-code platforms make it possible for anyone to get started. You don't have to be a developer to build something awesome. If you're curious to explore more examples, platform tips, and step-by-step instructions, head to agentmodeai.com to read the full article. Kim, signing off. That's it for today's Agent Mode AI. I'm Kim. Stay curious and automated. Catch you next time.